So now that we're done for the day with our CB56, it's time to drain the paste, clean it up, and get it ready for transport and storage. So what we're going to start with is by pulling the drain plug into an open bucket. Now you'll notice that we have no paste draining out of this machine because we've been running non-strippable 111 clay-based adhesive undiluted. So it's not going to start actually draining out of the drain hole and into the bucket until we remove some of our inner works, our rollers, and start squeegeeing the paste towards the center. One necessary step in cleaning your CB56 is to remove the gearbox. You have 3 thumb screws that once they're fully backed out, the gearbox can be removed. Next, we're going to go ahead and take our lid off. Thumb screws on each side of the paste well. Allow for the lid to be removed and give us access to all the working parts inside so that we can start taking this machine apart to be able to drain it. Next, simply loosen the set screw on the scraper bar, pop it out, and then apply upward pressure from underneath your paste roller. Pop your paste roller out, and then you start squeegeeing with a brush or another tool that's soft, that's not going to damage your metal, towards the center, draining your machine. At that point, you can roll it outside, hose it out, get it cleaned up and ready for transport. But if you're inside and don't have access to taking it outside, then you want to put your drain plug back in, fill it up about a quarter way with some water, and start washing the machine out. Once you have it adequately washed out, put a bucket back underneath, pop the drain plug again, and you're cleaned up and ready to go.